Alrighty, guys. I caught them right down here, guys. My best friends. They barely didn't see me, but they saw me. So, guys, I missed them going through Saturday, guys. They came through so quickly, guys. So, guys, I hope y'all had a very good weekend, guys. I want to get me some tackle spots and go fishing sometime this month or something. Alright, guys, they're on the way to Nashville tonight, guys. I got a new upgrade, guys, but I'll show that in my next video when they come back through tomorrow night, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching Kiamichi Shortlines, guys. Thank you for watching, and welcome back to Kiamichi Shortlines. Alright, guys, I got a new upgrade, guys. I got me a new hat, guys. So, maybe I might upgrade my pictures. But guys, I'm back filming. I came through at like 3 o'clock Saturday, and I couldn't see them, so. Oh, it's a nice song. Alright, guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Shortlines, guys. Please go to road crossings. Please don't ram them like this one guy was trying to do. Hope you have a very good time, guys, and have a good weekend, guys, and I'll catch you next time on Kiamichi Shortlines, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Alrighty, guys, catch you next time on Kiamichi Shortlines, guys.